Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to automatically extract and summarize text from research PDFs using our AI formula in Google Sheets. With just one simple formula, you'll be able to pull text from any page and generate quick summaries. Let's see it in action using some Gen Z research papers. First, let's prepare our PDFs. Open Google Drive. Upload your first research PDF. Select the file. Change to anyone with the link can view. Copy the sharing link. We'll need this for our formula. Now, we will extract the first PDF into column B and the second into column C. In cell B3, type equals PDF extract text from page 1, the URL of the PDF. Double-click to apply the formula to all pages. Want a summary? Type equals PDF summarize all pages into 50 words, your link. Let's do the same for our second research paper. Make the PDF public. Use the PDF formula with your second document's link. Extract text and create summaries. Now that we have text from both PDFs in our sheet, let's unleash the full power of our AI. Click Extension in the menu. Select Full Sheet Analysis. Ask AI provide 5 TikTok video topics that Gen Z would be interested in based on the information. See AI generate video ideas based on the research paper we provided. As you can see, by combining our equals PDF formulas with the full sheet analysis function, we've just unlocked incredible capabilities. In seconds, we can analyze information from multiple PDFs simultaneously, generate comparative insights automatically, suggest content ideas based on the combined data. What used to take hours of manual reading and analysis can now be done in minutes. This is the power of combining our equals PDF formula with full sheet analysis. Ready to try it yourself? Install our extension from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below with any questions or what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.